My name is Shiva and my roll number is H5. Today my topic is demonstration distribution sorts Pro XMAP sorts. Any sort algorithm where items are distributed from input to multiple intermediate structures which are then gathered and placed on the output buckets are linear probing sort, shuffle sort, merge sort, radix sort, unshuffle sort, restricted sort, universe sort, standard sort, distributor plotting sort are called as demonstration distribution sorts. Sorting nothing but arranging the elements in an order. An example of a merge sort: first divide the list in. We know what is merge sort. First divide the list into the smallest unit, one element, then take one element, then compare each element with the adjacent list sort and merge the two adjacent lists. Finally, all the elements are sorted and merged. Merge sort is divided and conquer algorithm that was invented by John von Neumann in 1945. Selection sort is a simple sorting algorithm. This sorting algorithm is in a place comparison based algorithm in which the list is divided into two parts, the sorted part at left hand and the unsorted part at the right hand. Initially the sorted part is empty and the unsorted part is the entire list. Linear search is a very simple search algorithm. In this type of search, a sequential search is made over all items one by one. Every item is checked, and if a match is found, then the particular item is returned, otherwise the search continues till the end of data collection. Linear search is a very simple search algorithm. In this type of a search, a sequential search is made over all items one by one. Every item is checked, and if a match is found, then the particular item is returned, otherwise the search continues till the end of the data collection. Binary search is a fast search algorithm with runtime complexity of 0 log n. For this algorithm to work properly, the data collection should be in the sorted form. Binary search look for a particular item by comparing the middlemost item of the collection. If a match occurs, then the index of item is returned. Radix sort is one of the sorting algorithm used to a sort list of a integer number. In order to a radix sort algorithm, a list of integer numbers will be sorted based on the digits of individual numbers. For example, if the largest number is a 3 digit number 3, then its list is sorted with 3 passes. That's the simplest approach to resolve a collision is line probing. In this technique, if a value is already stored at a location generated by h of k, it means collision occurred. Then we do a sequential search to find an empty location. Bucket sort or a bin sort is a sort algorithm that works by distributing the element of an array into a number of buckets. Each bucket is then sorted individually, either using differently sort algorithm or by recursively applying a bucket sort algorithm. Shuffle sort, a distribution algorithm that begins by removing the first 1 by 8 of the n times, sorting them and putting them in an array that creates n by 8 buckets to which the remaining 7 by 8 of the item distributed. Each bucket is then sorted and buckets are concurrent. Unshuffle sort, a distribution sort with two phases. In first phase, the input are distributed among the double-ended queues, keeping the items in each queue ordered and creating a new queue when there is no place on an existing queue. The second phase is an idle merge in which the item is to be removed is determined by keeping the queue in priority queue. Restricted universe sort. A sort algorithm that operates on the basis of that keys are members of a restricted set of values. They may not require comparison of key to perform this sorting. Distribution parting sort. Definition step 1. Find a midden key. Step 2. Distribute the n items into n by 2 buckets linearly conveying the interval from the minimum to the median, and n by 2 buckets are linearly conveying the interval from the median to the maximum. Step 3. Complete the bucket removing empty bucket. Recursively start again at step 1 for in a bucket with multiple items. Linked lists are used to avoid moving items until a final phase and to avoid a bucket overflow. ProAxMap sorts or ProAxMap sort is a sorting algorithm that works by partitioning an array of data items or a keys into a number of subarrays. This name is short of a computing ProAxMap map. ProAxMap sort or ProAxMap sort is a sorting algorithm that works by partitioning an array of data items or a keys into number of subarrays. The name of short for computing a proximity map, which look like this. This is an example of insertion sort, sorting a list of random numbers. Sorting algorithm data structure are worst case performance 0 of n square, best case performance worst case performance O of n square, best case performance O of n, average case performance O of n, worst case space complexity O of n. We can see example here. Unlike bucket sorting, which is sort after all the buckets are filled, the elements are insertion sort as they inserted. Once a proximate sort is complete, proximate search can be used to find keys in the sorted arrays of times if the keys will be distributed during the sorts. Demonstration distribution sort meaning is any sort algorithm where items are distributed from the input to multiple intermediate structures, which are then gathered and placed at the output, known as distribution sorts. And proximate sorts are sort is a sorting of algorithm that work by partitioning an array of data items or keys into number of subarrays. Is known as proximate sort. Thank you for giving this up.